guys, today I have my Project 10 rolling pan. I have not filmed an update yet this month at all, so I was planning to post them at the beginning of the month, and then life just got carried away. You know how it goes. So I'm gonna post this one within the next day or two after I'm filming this. And then it's gonna end October 31st, so I'm just gonna post this one, and then I'm just gonna post the finale on October 31st. So since my last update, I have used some things up, I have decluttered some things, or I've like hit my goal on some of them. So the Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer in pink peony, I hit my goal on that, which was to use half. And it's kind of time to like transition scents. I don't know if anyone else is like that, but I like to use different scents for different seasons. I have finished up the NYX Angel Veil. Unfortunately, I do not have that to show you guys. I already threw it away. And then the Trustique Mini Highlight Stick, I decluttered it. I hated it. It didn't do anything for me. If I tried to put it on top of my foundation, it just rubbed off. If I put it underneath my foundation, you couldn't even see it. So it was like, what was the point of me using it? So I'll talk about the things that I've rolled in to kind of replace those really quickly, and then I will show you the updates on my other items as well. Okay, so the first thing I rolled in to replace something is this Makeup Revolution Soap X highlighting palette, and I chose this gold shade. Well, I randomly used random.org, and then I chose this gold shade for me. Obviously, I'm like not expecting to hit pan or anything in the next month. I just recently picked up this palette maybe 2 months ago, so my goal is just kind of get some use out of it. I really like this gold shade. It is really pretty. It doesn't really suit my skin tone all that well, but it's a nice highlight if you can see that. The lighting's not the greatest today, sorry. So that's one of the things I rolled in to replace one of the items. The other thing that randomly got chose for me was, this is the Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it chose this shade in New Wave. It's a really pretty orange. If you really like it, it's falling out of the palette though. That's unfortunate. A lot of people have like mixed reviews about this. So far I like it. I just kind of bit the bullet and bought it because I really love Anastasia eyeshadows. You just like can't go ham in like putting your brush in. You have to just lightly tap it, and I think if you do that, then you're pretty good. So the next thing I rolled in is this Be Racy Liquid Lip by Pop Sugar, and this is in the shade Skinny Dip. It's just a really pretty nude. Yeah, not expecting to use this up or anything, just trying to get some good use out of it. So the other thing is I have this BoxyCharm Z palette. We got it in BoxyCharm a while ago. Can't exactly be sure, but I have this Anastasia shadow again, and it's just this blue one. I don't think it has the name on the back of it. No, it doesn't. But it's just that blue shade right there in the middle. I haven't used it yet, and again, not trying to hit pan or anything within the next month because that's impossible. But I'm just trying to get some good use out of it. And then I have my Winky Lux palette. and I have this shade that I'm going to be trying to hit pan on. It doesn't have a shade name. Oh, yes it does. Yes it does. It's Strut. They're actually on the back. I've never noticed that before, so it actually has all the shade names on the back. So yeah, I'm going to try to hit pan, or not hit pan, I'm going to try to use Strut. I'm not trying to hit pan on it. Let me clarify that real quick, because I don't know if your girl could do that either. Okay, so let's talk about some things that I have some good progress on. Things that I don't really have progress on, I'm just gonna go over and then I'll talk about them at the finale. So the first thing is this Victoria's Secret Mango Temptation fragrance mist, and I started here. I was here at the beginning of the month, and now I'm down here. So I think I'm doing pretty decent. My goal was to use about half of it, and I'm almost there. Almost there. So I think I can use about half of this before I put it back, and then try to focus on some other perfumes that I have in other projects. So I think I can do it. I think I can do it. The next thing is this Aloe Pure Time Repair Serum, and my goal for this was to use half. This I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get to half on, because my progress on it has slowed down due to another product that I have in another project. So it was full at the first, when I first started. It was here at the first intro, here at the beginning of the month, and now we're at this last black line. So like I said, I don't think I'm going to be able to use half of this, but I am still getting some pretty good use out of it, so I'm not disappointed. Alright. Then I really only have like one more thing to talk about, and that is my Wet n Wild Contour duo in Dolce de Leche. And you guys, you ready for this? Look at how much pan I have on this. In the bronzer, I'm actually getting a slight dip in it as well. I don't think I'll hit pan before the finale, but I've been waiting to repress this so that I could show you guys. Like, I don't know if you remember, but in my last update, I just had a slight dip like I did in this, and now I have all this pan. It's pretty exciting, you guys. I think once I repress it, it'll go by sooner, and I don't want to say that I will, but I may be able to finish this before the finale. I use it to set my whole face, and usually I bake with it as well. So I'm hoping that I can finish that before my finale so I can work on some of my other face powders. But that is all I have for this update today, guys. Short and sweet and to the point. And hopefully I can get this uploaded and I can get back onto like a somewhat regular filming schedule. I know it's been very, very like random, and that's definitely not good, so I'm sorry. My life should be less crazy now though, so thank you. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Let me know if you guys are doing another, well, any kind of project really. Let me know in the comments below. You guys have a good day. See ya.